Now let's learn which Google Cloud certification is right for you. There are various certifications which are offered by Google Cloud. So Google Cloud certification fall under three categories. You have associate or beginner level certification. Now this certification focuses on the fundamental skills of Google Cloud. It is a good starting point for someone who is new to the cloud and can use it as path to a professional level. Usually people who start learning on cloud computing skills would want to first certify themselves using an associate certification, which gives them fundamental knowledge, and also for anyone assessing their profile and understanding that this professional has gone through an exam which certifies and states the fundamental knowledge equipment of any candidate. When we talk about professional certification, this certification focuses on technical job functions and assesses many other advanced skills. It is usually recommended for someone who has industry level exposure and familiarity of Google Cloud platform. So people who successfully clear professional certifications are the ones who have had knowledge of Google Cloud, its different services, how different services are used for different use cases, plus they have demonstrated their knowledge in clearing this exam, which professionally makes them more capable to work on Google Cloud platform. When you talk about user certification, this is intended for an individual with G Suite experience. So Google Cloud, or Google I would say, offers different services or applications which can be used by users worldwide for different use cases. For example, you have Google Docs, or you have Gmail, or you have Google Drive, and so on. So this certification determines an individual's ability to work with and use the core collaboration tools. Now, when we talk about types of Google Cloud certifications, we have various types or categories here. So you have associate level. Now, this is when a professional or a person has recommended experience such as 6+ months building on Google Cloud. And here the certification is called Cloud Engineer. You have professional level certifications where the recommended experience is 3+ years of working with Google Cloud that can specifically be on Google Cloud services. So here you have different tracks such as Cloud Architect, Cloud Developer, Data Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Security Engineer, Network Engineer, and Collaboration Engineer. And when it comes to user certification, this basically needs an experience or completion of applied digital skills training course and G Suite Essentials Quest. Now, the certificate here is called G Suite. So Google Cloud offers many certifications for different positions such as Cloud Engineer, Cloud Architect, Cloud Developer, many more. You can choose the right certification according to your interest, career goal, and experience in that particular